Salut friends, welcome to my channel. This video is a very important video because in this video we are going to learn how to reply to the question how are you in French. In this video we are going to learn how to express I'm feeling good, I'm feeling very good, I'm feeling very bad or I'm feeling so, I'm feeling okay, fine in French. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. Now first, let us learn how to say I'm feeling good or well in French. The first and the most common way is just saying ça va. Repeat after me. Ça va. Ça va. The next way is saying ça va bien. Repeat after me. Ça va bien. The next way is je vais bien. Repeat after me. Je vais bien. Now, let us suppose you want to say, I'm feeling very good or I'm feeling very fine. So, in that case, you can say in French, ça va très bien. Repeat after me. Ça va très bien. You can also say, je vais très bien. Je vais très bien. Now, let us suppose you're feeling okay and you want to answer not bad. So, in that case, you can say in French, pas mal. Repeat after me. Pas mal. Now, let us suppose you are feeling just so-so. Then, in that case, you can say, ça va comme ci, comme ça. Repeat after me. Ça va comme ci, comme ça. Now, let us learn how to say I'm feeling bad in French. When you're feeling bad in French, then you can say in French, ça va mal. Repeat after me. Ça va mal. You can also say, je vais mal. Je vais mal. Now, let us learn how to say I'm feeling very bad in French. For this, you can say ça va très mal. Ça va très mal. You can also say je vais très mal. Je vais très mal. So I hope you have learned how to reply to the question how are you in French. I have already made a video on different ways to ask how are you in French. I will provide the link for the video in the description box. So make sure to go and watch that video also. So I hope you have liked our video, and if you have liked the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. À la prochaine!